I'm Valerie, and this is Sadie. And well, we've been on a 2-year-long adventure around the country in this van. From the highest mountains, to the hottest deserts, to the oldest forest. Feels like we've seen it all. But the more we see, the more we want to keep going. Along the way, more has changed than just our scenery. We travel not just to discover new places, but to grow closer to our true selves in the process. Doors open all along the road, and it's always calling. Please subscribe to join the nomadic community, follow along the journey, and to find out how we make our travel dreams become reality.
We are in Great Sand Dunes National Park. And guess what I got? Check it out! I got this sand sled. I rented it from a little place called Oasis, about 4 miles before you get to the park. It was about 20 bucks. And you get 1 free bar of wax. It's called Dr. Dune. So cute. I haven't sled down anything in, it could be a couple decades. I can't even remember. The last time I remember was, I was like 13 or 14, so we'll see how it goes. The guy said it can get up to 40 to 50 miles per hour going down these slopes, but I'm so excited. On the way in, when you're waiting in line to get in the park, you can see all the sand dunes, and they're just so pretty. I'm so excited to go play on them. I guess I'll be lugging this giant board with me across all the dunes, but I'm gonna go check out the visitor center and see what all there is to do. Visitor center is closed from 12 to 1, and I did not feel like waiting an entire hour. So we're just gonna venture on our own and use a map and decide where we're gonna go. I kind of wanted to see if there's any swimming available right now because there are some lakes and creeks, but we'll just find out on our own. I'm gonna wax this board. I feel like a surfer or something. And this is like day 10 hair. Some of you might know what I mean by that. I've lost track of the last time I showered. It's been well over a week. I think the last time was in Grand Junction, which was before Moab. And the next shower, the next Planet Fitness is not until Pueblo, which is our next stop. So with this greasy hair, the best hairstyle solution I could come up with is French braid pigtails. Really locks in that moisture, so my hair will be nice and conditioned. The guy at the rental place said he liked my hair, so I guess it doesn't look too bad. So you have to cross this stream first. It's not very high right now, it's pretty shallow, but I didn't want to get my tennis shoes wet, so we crossed barefoot. And now I'm clean my feet off and put my shoes back on. Ooh, looks like we're getting some shade rolling in. Maybe the clouds will be on our side today. So some of these sand dunes are over 700 feet tall. They are the largest sand dunes in North America. This was a sea. Like a lot of these amazing formations, it was first covered by water, and sand was brought here from other places over time. And of course the sea dried up and left this for us. I have a feeling I'm gonna get a really good leg workout in today.
Going.
so cool. Wow. We started all the way up there. Okay, this is our progress so far. All the way up that big one. And right here. This is unbelievable. I just want to keep going until I get to the tallest one before I even start sledding. I'm glad it's been nice and cloudy. I wonder if it's gonna rain. That would be interesting. I'm sure it'll be fine. The clouds are really beautiful out here though. See those little people? Those little specks climbing up the giant dunes. The dunes at Death Valley. Nothing. Nothing compared to this. This is it. That's a steep dune. We're not at the tallest one yet. That might be that one right there. I've been hiking up these dunes for the past 2 hours. We've come a long way. I don't know if I want to go much further, but I do want to start sledding somewhere. The creek separating the sand from the green mountains. It's just amazing. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit. Hopefully it blows over. I still want to sled. This looks like a good little slope to sled down. I am scared because I haven't done this in so long. And I don't know. I'm scared. I'm sure once I do it, it won't be that scary, but hey, here we go. Oh my god, that was so fun. Oh, the rain stopped. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna take you with me. Didn't quite make it. Let's see if it will keep going. Oh no, maybe I need more wax. Hopefully you caught some of that. Not bad for a first timer. Nice and cool. Refreshing. Goodbye, sand dunes. That was fun. I'm so glad we got to do that. And when I say we, I mean me and you. We got to do it together. You were there with me, whether you wanted to be or not. It is almost 4 o'clock, only 80 degrees, beautiful day, it feels amazing. We survived sledding down the sand dunes. Joyful, wonderful experience. I highly recommend, if you go to the sand dunes, stop by Oasis and rent you a board. You can do a sandboard, which is like a snowboard but for the sand, or the sand sled, which is what I did. You can't use a snow sled or a snowboard for sand because it just won't work. You have to get a sand specific board. Coming back down the dunes was a lot more fun than going up, a lot easier and faster because you just walk a little bit, sled down, walk a little bit, sled down. So we're like 10 or 15 miles from the park entrance. There's BLM land, or public land, right off the main road. Big open grassy plains with some beautiful mountains in the background, and you can see all the RVs scattered around. So I was like, that's probably where we're gonna spend the night tonight. So we drove and drove down this little dirt road until we found a spot where you can't see anybody. We're out here all alone, so we got total privacy. Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Go outside? Okay. You can't go far, okay? You can't go very far. Never really knew she does like this. We got our own little shade. Shady Sadie. Clouds are something else. I don't even think we have clouds like this in Georgia. Definitely don't have them in Arizona. Barely see clouds in Arizona. But these are really cool. Kind of like all the same. Little cookie cutter clouds. So beautiful. Don't even look real. Got the beautiful mountains back here, the forest. he a lizard? Please don't eat it. Yeah, there wasn't much left to do in the Sand Dune National Park. There's like some lakes you could hike to, but they're pretty far away. And we just didn't have time since we had to return our sled. We're just gonna chill here and enjoy this beauty all around us. I'm just so happy I get to be here. Such a unique experience. I'm happy for this magical mystery tour bus that can take me anywhere I want to go. Almost anywhere. It's really special. I'm so grateful, so fortunate. There's little deer prints, deer tracks. Maybe we'll see some deer. There's a cute little tree all by itself over there. Kind of want to go visit it. It seems kind of lonely. Gotta watch out for the pricklies. You want to go see me? Oh, she's so cute, just sitting there on the corner. Oh my gosh. She doesn't like venturing too far from her van, but she's kind of obsessed with whatever's going on over there. So some really large animals been here. Very careful not to step directly on the plants because we should enjoy the public land but also respect it and protect it as much as possible. That includes packing out any trash you bring in and leaving the space looking better than it was before you came there. Oh, that was a big bird that flew out of there. What bird gets to live in this special tree? I wonder. That's a big nest for a big bird. Don't hear any babies. Maybe there are eggs in there. Beautiful tree. It's a tree of life. Oh, Sadie. Hi, baby. She's like, Mom, where'd you go? I'm worried about you. I'm going to edit some video, relax, and eat, and enjoy the beautiful views all around everywhere I look.